Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now if you're like me, in the summertime you're running a soft top here in Pennsylvania or anywhere else in the US, and you want to make sure that thing stays clean. With all the rain and debris that we get here in Pennsylvania with all the trees and the sap, we really want to make sure these windows look as good and can last as long as possible, as well as that soft top material. Now behind me I have a 2012 JK with the Bestop Super Top NX on it, and we really like to keep this thing clean and looking good for a long time. So we picked up a set of the Bestop Soft Top repair and correction kit, and basically what we're going to be doing is cleaning it up today. We've already got it nice and clean, but I'll walk you through the process on how we did that. Now this kit does come with 3 bottles and they all have their own purpose. The one I'm holding here is going to be the vinyl window cleaner, and that is for all vinyl windows. So this soft top here is going to be the Twill soft top, meaning that we can't use it on there because you can simply brush the dirt right off, which is why you pay a little bit more for that Twill. So if you're looking for a soft top, definitely check out the Twill over the vinyl. It will last a long time and you'll be easier to wipe it right off. If you do have a vinyl soft top, however, those are great as well, but you know that they can stain a little bit easier with mud. So both of the other 2 bottles, one of them will clean all that stains off, make sure it looks good, and then the other one you can completely coat the soft top and it'll protect it from further stains. It's almost like putting a waterproofing agent on your shoes, meaning that things will just bead right off of it and the mud won't stick to it when you're out on the trail. Now the process for this is basically to get everything cleaned up before you apply any of the cleaners. You want to get your hose out and definitely clean off the top and make sure you get any big chunks of mud off of that without wiping too hard and scratching up the windows or the vinyl. And once you have that done, you're going to make sure it's fully dry and set it in a nice area of shade. You don't want to add this on when you're in direct sunlight because it will haze and can actually leave some marks on it. So definitely make sure you're in shade or in your garage. And what you're going to go ahead and do is apply the cleaning agent onto a nice microfiber towel sponge and simply rub it on. So you're basically going to go in circular motions and rub it onto the soft top. Go around and do that to all 3 windows and let it set up to almost a light glaze to where it looks like it's dried a little bit on there. From that point, you're going to use a brand new clean microfiber towel and you're going to go ahead and buff it just like you would a car. So you're going to go through and just go on and buff it to make sure all that haze is removed. And what you're going to be left with is a gorgeous looking vinyl window that is clear and you can see right through. And when we started with these windows, they were really dirty and I could even make a mark with my finger. So this really did clean it up. And what this is going to do is help clean it up and protect it. So this cleaning kit is going to make sure that you don't damage the soft top with the same harsh chemicals or sponges that you're using on the rest of your vehicle. You do not want to do that in any circumstance, even to get mud or dirt off, because it will just scratch the living heck out of your windows and could ruin your soft top completely. Definitely check this kit out, and for the price, it really is a no-brainer to help keep that top looking great for a long time. If you want to purchase this product or even purchase a brand new soft top, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. We've got tops and all the other accessories for your Jeep or Gladiator. Now until next time guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and can clean up your soft top, and I'll see you out on the trail.